It's time for Medical Minute, sponsored by Cleveland Clinic in Florida.
Some of the most common conditions I treat are hernias. That can encompass ventral or abdominal wall hernias, inguinal hernias or hernias of the groin, and even hernias around the esophagus, also known as paraesophageal hernias. Cleveland Clinic has some of the most leading-edge technology and capabilities to repair complex hernias, including abdominal wall reconstruction. We can also use the robotic platform to tackle these larger abdominal wall hernias. The benefits of the robotic platform in treating abdominal wall or groin hernias really comes down to the amount of postoperative pain that patients experience. Because we're using these small incisions to perform some very complex hernia repairs, we can actually get patients out of the hospital on the same day as the surgery is performed. It also significantly decreases the amount of pain that patients experience after the procedure.
This has been your Medical Minute, sponsored by Cleveland Clinic in Florida.